Welcome back to Displacement Garage. Today we are picking up one of my dream cars, a 1966 Ford Mustang. This one is the inline-6 engine and it has a Bluetooth brake pedal. This is going to be a long-term project, obviously, whenever you guys start looking at all the rust. And the name of this one I have been holding on to for quite a while, and I have not found a car worthy of the name or that fit the name yet. So this one, I'm going to use that name, and this one is going to be named Lucifer. If you guys don't know the hauntingly scary history of the blue Mustang, you guys should definitely look that up today. Styling wise, for the front of the car, I would love to do some kind of red on the lights. So either red halos or red fog lights. I think that would be kind of cool to replicate how the Lucifer horse's face has the red eyes on it. And we definitely cannot use that on the street, so it will be just a switch that I add on there, so that way we can use it at car shows and parking. At this point, I think it is getting cold very fast. We're in the middle of January right now, and once the sun goes down, it is extremely chilly in the evenings. So we are pausing for the evening, and then we are gonna unload this bad boy tomorrow. Lucky for you guys don't have to wait till tomorrow, because we're gonna do it right now for you.
Are you sure this ain't got oil in it?
Ain't got what?
Ain't got oil in it?
I do. Oh, baby, you want to roll this one off?
What?
There is just the hydraulic handbrake in there. I think it's just hooked up to the regular braking system because there is no pedal like Hasty's about to learn.
There ain't got a brake pedal.
I know! Oh, I'm cracking up at that. That's so funny. To steer? That's very... Oh man, I'm terrified for you. Are you steering okay? Let me make sure you're lined up. I'm nervous. You're alright on this side, alright on this side. Going straight back. I'm so scared for you. Oh God. Okay. It's on the first bottom part of it. It's good on both of them. I'm so nervous. I'm so scared. Okay. Ooh. Almost fell. You're good. A little bit further. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Keep going. Oh. Oh, you did. Here, I'll let you go. Right this way, sir. Oh.
This thing is rusty. Ain't no brake pedal.
Yeah. Going through the additional pieces, a lot of the dash stuff is in here in the gauge cluster. It says it's at 161,000 miles on there. I don't know when they took off the gauge cluster, but this car is on the original engine. It's pretty much original everything minus the carburetor and a few extra containers and battery to keep it running. Let's see if it'll fire up for us. Thank you guys for being here today. We'll see y'all next time. Bye.